We are doing some tourism in Hong Kong while I wait for my Chinese visa to be processed. Thus, I have compressed a few days of tourism into one video to show off the highlights of our most recent visit to this world-class city. Today, after leaving the Kowloon Hotel, we walked down Nathan Road. And walked past the famous Peninsula Hotel, which has been immortalized in many movies, both local and foreign. We took another walk along the Avenue of Stars, where the handprints of famous Hong Kong movie stars are immortalized. I flew my drone over the area until a security guard noticed me and told me to stop. However, I did capture some amazing images of Victoria Harbour. We spent an interesting afternoon at the Hong Kong Museum of Art. Where we visited a calligraphy exhibit, an interactive exhibit on early commerce in the Canton region, and an exhibit of ancient Chinese snuff jars. The Hong Kong Museum of Art is definitely worth a visit and one of the great free attractions in Kowloon. We then walked over to the newly opened K11 Musea shopping centre. which had many interesting architectural features and decorations. Stopped in at the National Geographic store, and I had my first chance to eat at Five Guys. Which was one of the best burgers and fries I have ever had. We went back to the Walk of Stars to admire the city skyline by night. Had Cantonese style roast pork for supper. The next day we had a delightful lunch of Hong Kong style beef noodles. Then went back to Shoestring Travel to pick up my passport and China visa. And took the metro to cross the border into Shenzhen. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.